Hi everybody. To open LanSchool, you're going to click Go, then click your Applications, LanSchool folder. It's called Teacher. Double click that. It will load your LanSchool window. Next, you're going to want to come down to your doc and add it to your doc so you don't have to do that every time. You can go up to Options and just click Keep in Doc, and it'll keep that down here on your little doc so you don't have to do that every time. Next, we're going to talk about how to put in your class list, and so we'll go to Administer, One-to-One. Manage Class List is where you're going to start if you have not already made one. I have a class list, so I'm going to click Load Class List. I can double click my class list, and then come all my students' Chromebooks. To add a student to my current list, I can go to Administer, One-to-One, Manage Class List. Click Browse for Students, and then down here you can click in the Filter tab to type in a student's name. Once you type in their name, they should appear in here. You'll click on that student and then click Add. Then you'll want to click Save. That'll then put them in your list here. You will not see students' names, just what looks like a bunch of gibberish, their Chromebook ID number. Then you can save it as your last name, LanSchool, and put it in the Google Drive folder. Then you may also just click Save if you have to add another student at a different time. I'm going to click Close because mine's already complete. And then you would do Administer, One-to-One, and you can dismiss your current class. That will then make them available for another teacher to load them into their LanSchool.